Hi, I'm Mel from Two Sleepyheads, and today I'm going to show you how to create this design that we did in Adobe Illustrator. Alright, let's go! Alright, for this we will just create the text. In this font we will use Morgana for the sheet word that we're going to use. And we change the color to yellow and add a stroke to it. So for this we add a black stroke and also increase the stroke thickness of it. Maybe around 5 will do. So using this we will duplicate and change the color. Same thing, we have to add back the stroke so that all the text has stroke. So we will just keep duplicating and changing color and adding stroke. So this is a very easy way to layer your text and give it a little bit of depth. And yeah, so we have 4 of this word just on top of each other, shifting a little bit, and all with black stroke outline. So we can manually shift it to the distance that you like. If you didn't like what you did previously, I just move it closer so that it looks more compact. Alright, so this is it. Very easy to do this word sheet that has different layers of colors. You just have to make sure that the stroke thickness are all the same. So now I just add some text on top, and I will just maybe give it a wave of a flag. This is my 2 most favorite function of the word options because it gives a very fluid look to it. So this is it. Add a stroke to it as well so that it matches the sheet word. And here you go, this is how this is done. Let me know what you think. Alright, so that was just a very simple tutorial. You just need like maybe 5 minutes if you have the design in mind already. So I hope you like what you see. Thank you so much for watching. Do follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and also visit our website and drop us an email or a DM if you need any creative services. And also if you want to learn how to better your design, so like this video, hit the like and subscribe button, and if you want to support us, you can buy us a coffee. The link is in the show notes below. Alright, till next time, bye!